Three women who were convicted for defrauding government in the 50 million Emalangeni Capacity Building Fund fraud case will know their fate for sentencing this coming Thursday. This follows that High Court Judge Nkululeko Hlophe postponed the handing down of their sentence to this Thursday. We have a report.
Following the conviction of three suspects in the 50 million Emalangeni Capacity Building Fund fraud case, when the matter resumed at the High Court, Judge Nkululeko Hlophe gave the three convicts an opportunity to mitigate sentence before he hands down what he thinks will be the appropriate sentence. The three, Phindile Gwebu, a civil servant, Sebenzile Tango, who was convicted together with her company Inhlava Consultancy, and Ethel Matsebula, who was also convicted together with her company Masima Consultancy, in their mitigation of sentence, pleaded for the court's lenience when handing down a sentence respectively. They each pleaded their situations to the court, that they have children and elderly parents to look after. They all pleaded with the court not to give them a custodial sentence, asking the court to hand down a sentence with an option of a fine. The state, which was represented by Senior Crown Counsel Macebo Nxumalo, said sentencing is at the discretion of the trial judge, but there are certain factors that must be taken into account, and it should also go with sentences of similar cases in the jurisdiction. Nxumalo said there are no extenuating factors in the case, but there are aggravating factors, such as the fact that Gwebu betrayed her employer by helping the companies forge documents which were subsequently submitted to government. He pointed out that the capacity building exercise was an initiative of His Majesty the King, which he announced during opening of Parliament. Hence, the action of the convicts let down efforts of His Majesty to empower small business people. He pleaded with the court to mete out a sentence that will serve as a deterrent to would-be offenders. After the submissions, Judge Hlophe said he will have to consider before handing down what he feels will be the appropriate sentence in the case. An application by Tango and Gwebu to have their bail extended by a day failed, as Judge Hlophe said the matter is at a crucial stage where he has to hand down sentence. Hence, all three women were sent to prison. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Sibusiso Ngubane at the High Court.